in this video, we are going to install WordPress so that we can start using it. So to install WordPress, you would need to go to the cPanel, and then if you scroll down till the bottom of the page, you will see WordPress there. Just click on it, and then click on Install. Now you will see a few fields that you can use to choose some settings before you install WordPress. For example, you can choose the domain, okay? So I'm going to go for this one, and also you can choose the directory inside the domain. So if you leave that blank, WordPress is going to be installed in the root directory of the website, okay? And you'll find other settings like the name of the site. You can update these later. And also you would need to set the username and password for the account. You will need these to log into your WordPress page later. Okay, so I'm going to leave the admin like that, and for the password I'm going to go for learning WordPress at complete web development course. Okay, and that's the admin email, okay, where you're going to receive notifications and so on. So you can change that if you want. Now just scroll down and click on the install button. Now you can click on that link to access the website. Okay, so it looks like it's already there. So congratulations, you have just created your very first blog. So this is a blog, and basically if you look at this is a post, and if you click on it, you'll see the post, and also you can see a comment there, so you can reply to the comment. Okay. You can also leave a reply here, okay, if you want to. Okay, so I've already tried something before, so that's why you can see my input there. Okay, you can put your name, email, website, and write a comment there. So, hi, this is a comment, and then you can post your comment. Okay. So it says your comment is awaiting moderation. Okay, so this is an actual working blog, okay, that you have just created. All right, so now let's log in to WordPress. So to log into WordPress, we are going to type the website's address followed by wp -admin. Okay, and you will land in the login page. Okay, so just put your username and the same password you have chosen when you created your hosting account, and then if you click on remember me, now you're ready to log in. So now basically you are logged in WordPress. Okay, okay, so we can update WordPress to the latest version, so let's just click on that. Please update now. Let's click on this. Okay, and let's just click on update now. Okay, I just paused the video and now I clicked on updates. Okay, and now you can see that we've got the latest version of WordPress. Okay, all right, so on the left hand side we see a dashboard, okay, or administration dashboard. So in the next videos we are going to go through our dashboard, okay, and learn how to use the different components of the dashboard for various purposes. Okay.